this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is a required bedrooms and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Category 4. Category 5. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. In the hotel, except major credit cards are reserved the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Activities or activities are available online. You can book online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment